This is the Shockwave jet truck. Kent Shockley, you can see there strapped into the cockpit of this enormous semi powered by 3 jet engines. That secondary car there in front of the jet truck actually is used to start the vehicle. Speaking with Kent earlier, he said the Shockwave truck uses about 190 gallons of raw jet fuel during each run, and there's 2 runs per show, so that's certainly a plethora of diesel. Kent's support team just washed off the engines there with a little bit of soap and water to ensure there's no debris or any contaminants on the engines before they start. I think we're ready. We got the thumbs up. Winding up the engine there. The smell of diesel fuel is thick. Engines are on. Woo. Out of the back of the truck.
There's 100, 150, 175, 225, 250, 275, 3. He's going for 350. And the drag chutes are deployed. And he'll slow down. He's got to do those drag chutes, or drogue chutes as they're called, because he can't get on the brakes until he's down around 80 miles an hour. Otherwise, it'd go out of control. How about that? Let's give it up for Kent Shockley and Shockwave jet truck.
So what do you think about that Shockwave jet truck, man?
Pretty awesome.
It's definitely pretty crazy stuff, right?